This 617 right now. We are having some bad weather delivered to our area this week. Going to send it out to Chief Meteorologist Lynette Charles for a look at what to expect.
Yes, Christian, but that's perspective, because if we get all the snow that we're forecasting as of now, a lot of people are going to love this weather as we head into your Wednesday especially. Let's start you out with system number one, and that one is for today. This will continue to depart, move on off to the north and east, but with that, we're still going to be dealing with that rain for today, mainly rain, but we also do have some snow in the forecast for today as well. Then we have system number two, and this one is that area of low pressure that's going to develop off to the south and east and continue to move up the coast. And this is going to be a serious storm, a significant storm as we go in through your Wednesday into your Thursday. And we do have that potential for some heavy snow and also some high winds. So we are talking about a nor'easter that's going to be moving in, and maybe even a little bit of icing as well. So we could be dealing with some sleet before it's all said and done as we head into your Wednesday. So this is what we're working with. We'll start you out once again going back to the system for today. So we will see plenty of rain just overspreading the area for today. We're also going to be dealing with some snow back off towards the north and west, mainly this morning. And we actually do have a winter weather advisory across Carroll County this morning. And that could bring about maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. So travel will be a little bit difficult back into that area. So we put this back into motion as we head into the afternoon. It looks like we could see some of that snow drift down into Baltimore County, northern Baltimore County, over into Harford County, and maybe even Cecil County before it's all said and done this afternoon. Nothing will be accumulating on the roadways as it has been too warm around Baltimore and points off towards the east and the south. So the accumulations will really happen back off to the north and west across the mountains. And again, we can see that around Carroll County. So as we put this back into motion, we get some dry time as we head into your Tuesday. We'll probably maybe even see a few peaks of sunshine, but then we are going to be talking about that next system coming in. So there are those totals once again for today, adding up about 1 to 3 inches of snow before it's all said and done, mainly again back off to the north and west. Here's a second system that rolls in as we head into Wednesday morning, late Wednesday morning. So around 10 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see some of that snow move in. That's the blue, and we start to see that blue overspread. We do see areas of green, mainly down off across the eastern shore around Easton. So Talbot County, Caroline County looks like plain rain for the most part, but you could get some wet snowflakes mixing in as well. Everywhere else, it really looks like we will be dealing with that blue. Again, that's that snow that will continue to add up until Thursday morning. But remember, we could see a little bit of a mixing in with that, so that would cut down on some of the snow totals. But speaking of the snow totals, when it's all said and done, we could receive back off to the north and west, the darker purple, about 12 inches, possibly maybe even more locally. We go to the lavender color, 2 to 6 inches is what we're thinking likely as of now. And then as we work our way down off towards the south and over towards the eastern shore, maybe a dusting to 1 inch. And once again, east and southward, maybe just plain rain across that area. Again, we're going to continue to monitor and track the track of this system as we work our way in through the next several days, because that's going to determine how much snow we will receive. Once again, if that area of low pressure tracks more into the Atlantic, then that's when we will be dealing with more snow. Now let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.